Hello everyone, my name is Luigi ICT Badelio. I am grade 8 ST student from Don Carlos Ledesma National High School. And today, I will be labeling this blank periodic table of elements as one of our performance tasks in science. I will be labeling without looking to the ready-made printed table of elements. Don't you worry, when I do this here at home, I memorized already the needed information and there will be no cheating to happen. The only information that we will be included are the elements, atomic mass, atomic number, symbol of elements, and their names. And of course, attached at the back are the instruction for us to follow and the rubric on how we will be graded by our teacher. And without further delay, let's start! At last, I'm done guys, and this is my final work. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun and goodbye.